So we're here today to showcase the Redefine-Meat within our Chotto Matte menu, incorporating our cooking techniques and wonderful flavors. I fell in love with the product almost the second I saw it. I was shocked how it tastes like meat, looks and even sounds like meat when you're hearing it cook, and I think it's a really, really wonderful product that's had a lot of work and effort being put into it and love and care to develop it, to get it to the stages where it's at now.
The flavor was just right and the texture was the most amazing thing. And you can add so many things on it, but just as it is, was amazing. I was really, really impressed.
We gave them early versions of our new meat product and they told us what we can improve. And throughout this journey we were able to understand what is missing, what needs to improve, and develop technologies to crack texture, flavor, juiciness. Now we started to release our meat to the world. We are letting go of the baby and seeing chefs from all over the world creating new dishes, new experiences based on our ingredients. Chefs use their creativity to deliver to consumers throughout many different cuisines in Israel and now in Europe, and it's really exciting.
I was actually blown away. I tasted every single product today. The beef, the lamb, and they were amazing.
Fantastic. I mean, the texture was probably the most surprising thing. Having that texture that you're not anticipating and it being like really, really enjoyable.
I'm glad to be a part of it because I know in the future this is going to be something big.